This is a large-scale fermentation facility for biopharmaceuticals, designed to support a wide range of products including probiotics, APIs, nutraceuticals, functional foods, and proteins. The process begins with the pre-seed fermenter, supported by a dedicated process piping skid, for controlled fermentation, and initial culture development. The culture then moves to the seed fermenter, where accurate feeding, aeration, and sterilization are maintained through its integrated piping skid. The production fermenter enables large-scale biomass generation, operated through a high-capacity piping skid, for continuous and stable fermentation. Media vessels prepare essential nutrient blends, with dedicated process piping, ensuring sterility and precise media transfer. A separate Dextrose vessel supplies controlled carbohydrate feeding, supporting consistent nutrient availability throughout the fermentation cycle.